A stand-up desk riser made out of acacia wood? Let's check this out. Dave Taylor here, and I'm checking out this. This is very cool. This is the Victor high-rise acacia wood laptop riser. And as you can see, it's 3 pieces of really nice hardwood. Acacia is a really hard wood that you can adjust and fit together, and you can make a riser if you want to do some standing work instead of sitting work. And it's adjustable. So at its lowest, I can do this, and it's pretty darn stable. And at its highest, I can go all the way up to here, which is a pretty high surface. So the range in height there is from a minimum of 7.6 inches above the work surface to a maximum of 14.8 inches. As you can see, that's a pretty high, sort of adjustment over having your laptop or computer sitting on your work surface. Now, why would you do this? Because it's really good to adjust your posture, and people that use standing desks like me know what a great benefit it can be, and this makes it really easy. And it is, in fact, just 3 pieces of wood. So there you go. There's the whole thing. Super easy to move around. And as you can see, it's not the super lightest thing in the world. This is a fairly dense wood, acacia. You're wondering, where does acacia come from? Well, it's a tree that's native to Australia. Here's what it looks like. And it's super fast growing. It can grow 20 to 30 feet in just 5 years, which means that they can plant these trees and in 5 to 10 years be absolutely ready to harvest a lot of board feet. So it's a very renewable resource. And it is reasonably lightweight. The entire setup here is 7.9 pounds. And what you'll notice is that each piece, this is the top piece, has a slot on one side but not on the other. And the slots basically face each other. Here's the lower piece, and this has a slot here, but not on this side. So this means you just sort of hold this and then put this in with the slot up. Let me just sort of get that adjusted correctly. And that goes in the lowest one, assuming I can do it right. There we go. So now that is, there we go, nice and firm and solid and stable. And then this one just drops in whatever height you want, slot down, and you have a nice big work surface. This surface is about 17 inches by 12 inches. And here I have an HP laptop, and obviously I can put it on. It feels very stable. It does not feel like if I touch it wrong, the whole thing's gonna fall apart, which would obviously be a downside. And there's 5 slots. It's what's called a ladder design. So as I said, it's very adjustable. And where might you use this? Well, my daughter's heading off to college, and I think this could be great for her dorm room because she can easily just leave the pieces of wood next to her desk. And then when she wants to mix it up and actually maybe have a little bit of a change on her posture, instead of just sitting, she can just put this together, stand up, and then continue doing her work. So it's really, really great. High school kids, college kids, dorm rooms, home offices. This can be a game changer if you've just been sitting at the kitchen table all this time. And not much else I can tell you. Its rated max capacity is 10 pounds. And it's just some beautiful wood. Acacia is really known for having a rich grain and really pretty wood. And this absolutely is like that. It's a very nice solution here. And it's a little spendy. So let me just tell you that before we get to the price, I'm going to ask if you could subscribe to my channel. Click or tap on that subscribe button and you're subscribed. Cool. Great. Now this whole setup, laptop not included, is the Victor high-rise acacia wood laptop riser, adjustable, 5 heights. It is $149.99, currently marked down to $119.99 at victortech.com. I think this is a really cool solution for a problem that a lot of people have, which is they just sit and sit and sit and they never adjust their posture. So this gives you that option of actually mixing it up and deciding how you want to actually work in your workspace. And you can do this for an hour and then go back to sitting if you want. You know, it's all up to you. But this gives you a lot of flexibility with some beautiful wood. So really, really nice. I am a fan of not having endless plastic in my office. So that's what I got. I am going to reassemble this and get back to work. So I'll catch you in my next video.